How to change your YouTube video category. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can change your YouTube videos category on your YouTube app. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's say you've already posted a video to your YouTube channel and you're not sure about the category that you've set them to. Maybe you want to change it to some other niches and categories, and it's really simple to do that. By the way, you can also do this process from your PC or your web browser, but I'll simply show you the process on my mobile phone. So just go ahead and launch the YouTube Studio application. Remember, I'm talking about the YouTube Studio app, not the native YouTube application. Just open the YouTube Studio app, log into your account or the channel on which you want to change the category of, and go to the content section from the bottom of the screen. Once you go to the content section, keep in mind that by the time you watch this video, you may not be able to see the similar layout because YouTube keeps changing their layout as well. And all you have to do is to simply select any of the videos on which you want to change the category of. I'll just select the first one for this prime example, and you have to tap on the pencil-like icon which is laying at the top right hand side. So as you can see, this is basically the edit button. Once you tap on the pencil icon, you could go ahead and change many things of your YouTube video, but since we're learning to change the categories, from the bottom of the screen you can see the option that is more options, and you can see tags, categories, comments, and more. And since category is here, this is exactly what we're looking for. Just tap on the categories option, and as you do that, over here you'll be able to see the option called categories. Currently it is set to science and technology. If you want to add more categories to this, you could tap on the plus button over here, but since we're just learning to change it, we'll just replace this with some other categories by choosing education, entertainment, film, animation, or anything that you want. So just go ahead and select any of the categories that you want to save to, and just tap on the save button. Once you save the changes, you basically want to come back, tap on the save button on the top right again, and as you've done that, you'll have successfully changed your YouTube video categories. And that's all it takes to change your YouTube video categories. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.